in the northbound number 1 lane. I don't know why. Tom 600, code 6. Hi.
Okay.
What's your license?
I don't have it on me.
You have any ID on you?
Why am I getting pulled over?
I'm at 600 West Camelback, or excuse me, Indian School Road.
Why am I getting pulled over?
Is this your car?
No.
Do you have ID on you?
No. Why am I getting pulled over?
Put your hands behind your back.
Excuse me!
Put your hands behind your back!
No!
Put your hands behind your back! Stop! 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 Hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Stop! Hands behind your back! Tom 600. Give me another unit.
Why are you arresting me?
I'm asking for your ID. You said you don't have any ID.
Can I get it? It's in my car!
You said you didn't have ID.
I do! What did I do?
Give me your arm.
Let me get my car!
Give me your arm. Stop. Stop. Give me your arm. Put your arm. Give me your arm.
What did I do?
You were in the wrong lane. You're in opposite lane of travel.
I wasn't!
Give me your ID.
No, I wasn't!
Give me your arm, please.
You're hurting me!
Give me your arm.
Help!
Give me your arm. Give me your hand.
I can't do this! I did nothing wrong, sir!
Stop.
What the hell did I do?
You're in opposing
What did
lane.
I do? No, I wasn't!
Yes, you were.
Why did you tackle me? Leave my phone!
I'm locking it. Stop.
I don't know why you're doing this. What did I do?
Another unit,
It's not past 6 o'clock. It's past 6 o'clock. What did I do? What did I do? You tackled me for no reason.
We're 17th from 24th and Campbell. 10 far. Oh, yeah. And the response from Tom 600 after requesting another unit. He gave 600 West Indian School Road. License plate to the vehicle was John Sam 5455. I'm not getting anything back for it.
I'm no harm. I can
Tom 600.
cooperate
I've got her
with you.
detained, but she's real uncooperative.
I
Stand up. Stand up.
It's in the car.
Okay, well, then you should have told me that. You could have given
Why
it to
did
me.
you
Stop
arrest me?
arguing. Stop. Stop. Why don't you act like a young lady?
You're
Stop.
handling me.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to
You
get you.
slammed my head.
Stop.
Why am I in handcuffs? Why am I in handcuffs?
Stop. Stop.
Stop! You act like I'm a fucking threat. Are you serious?
Why are you acting this way?
Because you're hurting me, sir.
From the get-go, you've been screaming and yelling.
Because
So
you're
stop.
hurting me.
I'm not hurting you.
Why am I arrested? Why am I in handcuffs?
Because
When
I asked for
cooperating.
ID. No, I asked for ID.
It's
and
in
you
the car. Can I get it?
Well, I'll get it now.
Okay,
You
McGill.
refused. You refused to give it to me.
It's in the car.
Well, you should have just given it to me.
Well, can you let me go so I can get it?
No, I'll get it in a minute.
I don't know why.
I have another officer coming. We'll put you in the
I
car.
can't believe
You can relax.
You're
You can calm
hurting my
down.
wrist, and it's gonna show, sir.
Good.
Good.
You just need to calm down.
You're such a fucking.
Excuse me?
I said nothing. I said, why did you arrest me?
I explained it.
But it's not past 6 o'clock. So what did I do wrong?
It's not past, what, 6
It's
o'clock?
past 6 o'clock. So what did I do wrong?
What's 6 o'clock have to do with
I could
anything?
be in the turning lane.
You're in the southbound. You were southbound in the northbound number 1 lane.
No, I
You're in
wasn't.
the wrong lane of travel.
Show proof.
Okay.
Thank you. I don't know why I'm being detained for, sir.
Because you refused to give me ID.
But you said it was closed in the wrong lane. I just turned left.
You were.
My ID's in the car, sir.
Okay. We're gonna have her have a seat in your vehicle because she's just loud and make sure she doesn't have anything in her jacket pocket.
Can you guys please record this?
It's recorded.
Recording, no worries. You got any weapons on you? That's all I'm looking for is weapons.
We got body cams. Have a seat. Jesus.
Calling.
Go for Mike.
Hey, I'm out here on Indian School. I don't know if you heard it.
That the 101, yeah, saying her head's bleeding or something?
Yeah, the DUI.
Oh, DUI? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to get her checked out. So let's make sure we do photos and stuff. Yeah, like you said, we'll do the interpreter / just the DUI in there, so.
Yeah.
There's nothing, I mean, it's, when we get, is she alleging any misconduct or anything, or is she just complaining about the incident?
She thinks she was kind of manhandled or whatever, but I don't think it's... I'm getting ready to review the body camera right now. She's super all over the place.
Okay, no, that's what I was going to say. Let's just make sure